Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 2.2. Question number 1. If A is a given set having elements from 1 to 14 and the relation is given by two elements x and y such that 3x minus y equal to 0 and x and y both belongs to set A. You have to find, you have to write it in roster form, find domain and range also. First of all, I will write all the elements in arrow diagram. Here x, which belongs to A, here y belongs to A, elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on to 40. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Suppose I take x as 1. If I'll put x as 1 here, then 3x equal to y. Putting the value of x equal to 1, 3 into 1 equal to y. So 3 equal to 5. So when we take x value 1, we get y equal to 3. 1 is connected with 3. Similarly, if I'll take x as 2, 2 into 3, 6, so y will be 3, 6. When I'll take x as 3, then 3 into 3, this will be 3 into 3, y will be 9. Here y also belongs to set A. When I'll take x4, the y will be 12. If I'll take x5, then 5 into 3, 15. Y value is 15. 15 is not in set A, so I cannot take the value of 5. So its roster form 1 image 3, element 2 has image 6, element 3 image 9 and element 4 image 12. So this is the roster form of the given relation. Now what will be the domain? Domain is the first element. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the range? Range will be the second element. So this is 3, 6, 9, 12. If I'll discuss about codomain, then it is the second set, means this complete set A is the codomain. I think question is clear to you. Now in question number 2, the relation is defined from natural number to natural number, and this relation is given by two element x and y such that y must be equal to x plus 5. The value of x and y both belongs to natural number, and the value of x can be taken less than 4. Means if I'll take x equal to 1, then y equal to 1 plus 5, that is 6. X value is 2, y equal to 1 plus 2 plus 5, that is 7. X equal to 3, then y equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 8. I cannot take the value of x equal to 4 because the condition is x is less than 4. So its roster form is r equal to 1 image 6, 2 image 7, 3 image 8. This, and the domain of R equal to the first element, that is 1, 2, 3, and the range of R equal to 6, 7, 8. In question number 3, the set A is 1, 2, 3, 5 and set B is 4, 6, 9. Now we have to find a relation of two element x and y such that the difference between x and y is odd and x belongs to natural set A and y belongs to set B. So if I'll take x as 1 and y is 4, then 1 minus 4 or 4 minus 1 is 3. So I'll take 1 4, 1 6, 1 9, 2 4, 2 6, 2 9, 3 4, 3 6, 3 9, 4 6, 4 4, not 4 is there, 5 4, 5 6, 5 9. Now the difference 1 minus 4 or 4 minus 1, you have to subtract smaller from the larger. 4 minus 1 equal to 3, this is odd. 6 minus 1 equal to 5, this is also odd. 9 minus 1 equal to 8, this is not odd number. 4 minus 2 equal to 2, this is also a not odd number. 6 minus 2 equal to 4, this is also again not odd number. 9 minus 2 is 7, which is odd. 4 minus 3 equal to 1, an odd number. 6 minus 3 equal to 3, an odd number. 9 minus 3 6, which is not odd. This time 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 equal to 1, which is odd. This is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 equal to 1, which is odd. 9 minus 5 equal to 4, not odd. So the roster form of the relation is 1 4, 1 6, 2 9, 3 4, 3 6, 5 4, and last 5 6. This is the roster form. If you domain 1 2 3 5 and the codomain range is 4 6 9, but here we have not asked about the domain and range. In this question only you have to mention the roster form. Now in question number 4 is homework to you. Question number 5, the set A is 1 2 3 4 6 and the relation is such that take two elements A and B such that P means second wala, second B exactly divisible by A, where both A and B divisible belongs to set A. Here I am representing it again in arrow diagram. 1 2 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4 6. This is A belongs to set A, there B belongs to set A. So we have to check the B is exactly divisible by A. 1 is exactly divisible by 1. 1 not divisible by 2, 1 not divisible by 3, 1 not divisible by 4, 1 not divisible by 6. Now we discuss about the second B element. 2 is divisible by 1, 2 is also divisible by 2, but 2 is not divisible by 3 4 6. Now we discuss about 3 is divisible by 1 and 3 not divisible by 2, but 3 is divisible by 3. Similarly 4. 4 is divisible by 1. 4 is divisible by 2. 4 is not divisible by 3, but 4 is divisible by 4. Finally 6. So we have to write in roster form first. Whatever we have done now, roster form. So 1 is divisible by 1. So 1, 1. 2 is divisible by 1. 2 is also divisible by 2. 3 divisible by 1. 3 divisible by 3. 4 divisible by 1. 4 divisible by 2. And 4 divisible by 4. And the final 6. We discuss about 6. 6 is divisible by 1. 6 is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 3. And finally 6 is divisible by 6. So this is the roster form. Now about domain and range. Domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, the first element of the relation, and range is the second element of the relation. So here you can find easily which one is the domain and range. Now question number 6 is homework to you. Question number 7. A relation is given by the first element is x and the second element is the cube of the first element, where x is a prime number less than 10. The first element is x. Take first the prime number less than 10, that is 2. Most of the students take 1 also as a prime number, but 1 is not a prime number. So x, 2, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number, 7 is prime number. That's it. Now the second element is x cube. The 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 5 cube is 125, and 7 cube is 343. So its roster form is 2, 8, 3, 27, 5, 125, and 7, 343. What about the domain? 2, 3, 5, 7. What is the range? 8, 27, 125, 343. I think clear to you. Question number 8 and 9 you will try yourself. If there is any problem you can ask on my personal window. So dear students, we have complete exercise 2.2 today. I think you have learned about this exercise. Thank you.